Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to have an app with us which is Chegg.com, and on this website we are going to learn how to make money on Chegg.com. Let's find out. Chegg.com is a company that pays tutors to make money answering academic questions. They have a point-based system. You earn points when the students like your answer, and later on, you can redeem those points in various ways. One way to make money on Chag is to convert that points into dollar and transfer them to your PayPal account. This is the one of the best ways to make money on Chegg.com. No matter what you want to learn, Chegg Tutor will help you get over it. I find Chegg Tutors answer the best. They solve the problem through a step-by-step process that is easily understandable, and Chegg tutors are expert in the field they are teaching. Chegg hires tutors with more and more experience, giving them the privilege to teach millions of Chegg students to solve problems. To make the most of the money from Chegg.com is to follow to be a tutor. How you can become a Chegg tutor? Follow the step by step instructions to make the most of the money from Chegg. So, how you can become a Chegg Tutor? Follow the step-by-step instructions below. Either you can watch this video, which I'm not going to watch. Now, make money writing on vocal media. Vocal media is another alternative where you can make money writing. There are two potential ways you can make money writing on vocal media. You can make money writing on vocal media by submitting your stories to vocal challenges. Vocal challenges pay $250 to $2,000 to the top three winners. You can also make money on vocal by getting readers or viewers. Local pays $6 per thousand reads for writers who are in Vocal Plus membership, and $3.8 if you are not a Vocal Plus member. I have experience writing for Vocal Media for over 2 years now, and they are one of those best platforms for writers to start making money. Vocal is one of the best Chegg alternatives to make money by sharing your experience or knowledge with the world. Read this story from Amir Kamal. The author made this story available to Medium members only. Upgrade to instantly unlock this story plus other member only benefit. Access all member only stories on Medium. Dive deeper into the topics that matter to you. Get in depth articles answering thousands of questions. Achieve your personal and professional goals. And there are other writers as well as also. You can upgrade as well, written by Amir Kamal. And there's so much more on this website that you can find how to find a mentor and other kinds of recommendations. Let's see, like if you are on check.com, I would like to go back and see something else for check. Not check India. Let's go for it. Learn to earn with only internet connection and a mobile phone, opportunities to make money online through businesses, gigs, freelancing, or investing. Okay. You can explore by either jobs, businesses, freelancing, budgetings. Earn money online to boost your income. How many hours of the day do you spend in front of your mobile device or laptop? What if we told you there was a way to earn money online with the minimal time investment? Surprised, right? We know you are worried about spam and fraudulent websites, but trust us, we list all the genuine money making sites where you can easily earn money without any investment. You can earn money online by starting your own online business or taking up an online job, and by freelancing. You can also find ways to make passive income. Passive income is the money you earn without any active time investment like rent received on a property. So this is all company, learn, earn, grow. It's all about check, right? So thank you so much, guys, for coming up to the end of this video. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Till then, you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, share it to those who need it, who need the information, who are your friends, and press the bell icon as well. Bye bye. Take care.